digiKam is one of the most popular photo management tools out there today. Apart from regular users who want to manage photos, digiKam in particular also intrigues programmers and other technical experts since it is an open source tool. Being an open source tool, it is also completely free for users. If you're looking for a tool that can be used to import and organize digital pictures instantly, digiKam is your go-to tool. It has an easy-to-use interface that makes it convenient for users to either directly load pictures from their computer or connect their cameras and then load pictures. Once the photos are organized into different albums, these albums can easily be sorted chronologically by custom collections or even by folder layout. digiKam is known for its outstanding performance. Even with libraries containing 100,000 plus images, digiKam handles everything well and never crashes or lags. It comes with an extremely efficient editing workflow, which users can edit JPEGs, process raw files, and even directly publish pictures to social media platforms such as Facebook or Flickr. Not just this, but with digiKam, users can also view and edit the metadata of their pictures. It has also an intuitive tagging feature that allows users to sort their folders in a more organized manner. Apart from tags, users can also add brief comments with each photo if needed. What makes digiKam stand out amongst its competitors is its light table functionality. Upon dragging a photo to the light table, digiKam's intelligent algorithms automatically point out areas of photos that might need a little touch-up. Then the user can use digiKam built-in image editor, which has all the basic functionalities such as color correction, noise reduction, and red eye correction. Additionally, the tool also has a queue manager that can be used if you wish to perform batch operations on a bunch of images. They also have great documentation that can be quite helpful for beginners. While managing and editing photos, users often try different features of digiKam. Although this helps users to find the ideal solution for themselves, it often leads to an accumulation of several unnecessary duplicates. These dumb duplicate files create a mess within your device. If you want to keep your file system organized, you can use PictureEcho. PictureEcho is a smart tool that can automatically scan your storage space and hunt down all the unnecessary duplicates. It is a licensed tool that does everything on your computer locally. Since no data is transferred onto the web or a cloud service, you can be assured that your privacy won't be compromised. The good thing about using PictureEcho is that its user interface is pretty easy to use. It's a simple 3-step process. Add your files in the system scan. Choose a scan node, either similar or exact. If you're doing exact, then you won't need to set a threshold, but if you choose similar, you need to set a similarity threshold. I'll keep it at 9, the recommended one, and then start your scan. PictureEcho groups the duplicates together. You can first change the display size to large, small, medium, or extra large. You can sort by default, recoverable space, or photo count. You can select duplicates in bulk by keeping the oldest, newest, largest, highest resolution, or lowest resolution file. You can even select them manually. Once you've made a decision, you can either move them to a different folder, send them to recycle bin, or directly delete them. Thanks to PictureEcho, with just 3 simple steps, you can easily detect and get rid of thousands of duplicates in a very short span of time. Doesn't that sound great?